G'day, Ian Castle here, your Aussie vocal coach. And today, I'm going to share with you a Jedi-level singing technique that will allow you to sing with more control and power. As I've said in previous videos, singing is not just a physical thing, it's a mental and emotional thing too. You can influence your voice by introducing some movement while you sing. Today, I was working with an online student to improve his phrasing. The notes of the melody were a bit choppy, so I suggested that he incorporate some flowing arm movements to achieve a more sustained vocal tone. I'll demonstrate it for you. What would I do without your smart mouth, drawing me in and you kicking me out? Got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. It may seem very simple, but what I'm doing here is trying to get my brain to associate the flowing arm movement with the flowing vocal line. I am basically placing my voice in the palm of my hand. This technique is also helpful if you tend to overthink when you sing. By focusing on the movement of my hand, I'm not really thinking about the notes, which can result in a more relaxed throat. You can also use this trick to experiment with expression. Let's say you want to expand or open up on a note. Try expanding your arms horizontally as you sing, imagining that your voice is connected to the increasing space between your hands. Got my head spinning, there's no kidding. I'll do it again. Head spinning, there's no kidding. Perhaps you want to improve your projection and power. Imagine your voice is being released through your fingers like a laser. Pick a spot on the wall to focus on and imagine there is an unbreakable connection between your voice, which is being delivered through your fingers towards the wall. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. Projection and lack of projection tends to come from what we are focusing on. If you are looking at the lyrics on your phone when you are singing, you'll likely sing with minimal projection. If you're standing on a stage and focusing on the wall behind the last row of seats, you will likely sing with increased projection. Get into the habit of delivering your voice further than your surroundings. Imagine your voice going through a wall into the next room, hitting that wall, and then coming back to you. Imagery is a powerful tool as a singer. You can use the power of your mind to influence your voice. Now, try these Jedi singing techniques and let me know if they help you. Before you go, hit the like button if you'd like to see more of these quick tip and technique videos, and check out the links in the description area if you'd like to support the channel or work with me. Bye for now.